Oh, hey, welcome back to the what is this here? Now, this is, of course, is the none other than the Precision Data Analytics channel. Again, we'll give you a quick demonstration of how to download historical data from investing.com using your free account. Okay. Then we'll just drop it into a quick we'll drop it into a quick Excel spreadsheet or maybe Power BI. Do a couple quick, a couple quick things like just do some very quick, what? Very quick moving averages to give us an idea what's really going on, okay? So anyway, like I said, Investing.com has a free sign up, okay? So I'm signed in. I'm sure they also have a, I'm sure they also have a paid level, but I'm really Investing.com. Okay, very good. Charts, real-time live charts, and so forth. But our fund, we want to do it the old-fashioned way. We want to download some historical data and drop it and pull it into Excel. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, so we're going to do something a little funky here as always. And that is, we're going to actually look at some stocks from Tunisia. Okay, we're going to try to analyze some stocks from Tunisia. Come over here, top 10 stocks from Tunisia. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I will tell you that I've actually already looked at a couple of these. Tunisia leasing and factoring. So let's come over here. We're going to search for this particular stock. Try searching. Okay, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Let's try looking for TLS. This is again is called what? Tunisian leasing. So come over here, select our stock, and we can add it to a watch list. Okay, just add it to a watch list. All right, done. Then you come down to here, general. Sometimes the historical data, it's usually always under general. We could take a quick look down here also. One day, 1 month, So it's been kind of a roller coaster ride. Now we could come over and do technical stocks, technical charts, but you know, where's the fun in that, right? Historical data, add, remove details. Come over here. We're gonna go back 1 year, 24, to let's go January 1st. Okay. Apply. You notice by default it's going to sort it newest to oldest. But come over here now, just do a click download here, and there it is. Like I say, we could of course do something fun like just use the built-in chart, but that's not what we're about here at the Precision Data Analytics channel. We're all about showing you how to do this. Do I have anything else over here yet? Let's see. Oh shoot! Right now, just leave it under downloads. Okay, let's save that. And our data should be over here also. Let's take a look over here. So that is, we're going to change this to close. So I guess that's what it is. All right. Save this the way it is. Come back over here, go to data, import what? CSV. Tunisian leasing, we're going to import this. Let's do some transformation here. So it does recognize it as a date. This is volume in thousands, so you can see it's not that big. Transform, replace, let's replace K with nothing. Let's change this to currency decimal numbers. There we go. Then let's actually come over here. Let's insert a column. And let's leave it the way it is. No, we won't. We'll come over here. Duplicate change. How do we add a column? We can calculate the actual value. Tunisian leasing. Okay. Load. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do equals. So these volumes don't make a lot of sense, do they? Let's be honest about that. Okay, Control C. But then again, maybe they make perfectly good sense within the context of this volume. Because if this is correct, then this means on this day here, this stock was apparently nothing was traded. Okay, interesting. So let's do that. Let's start with a very quick price close, right? Insert, recommended chart. Let's do this. So the most basic stock analysis we can do is, well, first of all, you come over here, click on this. Now we're going to set the minimum to 10. And the upper to, I don't know, 38. Okay, good. All right, good. So now it's a little funkier because trend line, moving options, moving average. Let's do periods 15. All right. Let's do periods 50 to start out with. So click over here, it says 2024, right? And you can see it's either been right at the 50, it's been either right at the 50 mark, 50 moving average, or above the 50 moving. And back here it's above. So this is sort of considered to be, you know, a good thing. What about 100 moving average? So if we look at 100 moving average, you can see most of the time it's at or above the 50. So this would mean it's, you know, this is good. This is very good there. But let's zoom in a little bit. So we just go over here and we say 25 only. We come over and we say under select 25. Yeah, I don't understand why it's doing that. Unless it has something to do with the fact that the, you know, it could be that the date range isn't covered. Let's try this again. Let's go over here. Let's do insert another plot here. Again, let's go over here. So now we got this full range of data. So let's go over here like this. Now let's try to see what happens. Yeah. I don't understand why we're losing the data there, okay? So let's go back over here, all right? All right, again we come over here. Set this to 10. All right, we want to look at it. We want to look at, no, this isn't the best way to do that, but what we're going to do is come over here, we're going to unselect this. Then we're going to look at last 6 months. 1, 2, 3. Let's just look at the current quarter, shall we? Now this isn't ideally the way you want to do it, but that's okay. Let's select all. Now we're going to come down here, over here. We're going to look at the current quarter, okay? So now we're only looking at the quarter. Now we come over here and do price again. So this will give us the current quarter, right? So why doesn't it say there's no data here? Don't understand why this isn't working. This is really interesting. Okay, now we got just the current quarter, right? Well, the current quarter would be what? October, November, December. So we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So let's come over here. So this is kind of curious, isn't it? See, I don't understand why it's doing this. Now we say, go over here. This is interesting. Why is it doing this? What's causing the problem here? This shouldn't be a problem because all we're doing. Let's say 15 days. Okay. Okay. So this has not been a good 6 months for for the leasing company, because it's even underneath the 15. What you're really looking for, well, obviously this is a leasing company, so you hope you don't have a lot of volatility in the price, but nonetheless, it was underneath the 15-day moving average. Okay. That's down. That's kind of straddle. Let's back up. But now it's coming back down. Interesting. So we come over here like this. Transparency, point width. So that's interesting. Why is it doing that for? This doesn't make any sense because there's not that much data there. Change the color a bit. Yeah, this is kind of strange. I don't understand what's causing the hang up here. We're not even using half as much data as we were over here. Okay. So you go back over here again. You have a 50-day moving average, I think it is, right? And for the most part, during this period of time, 50 days, it's either straddled or stayed above the 50-day moving average, which could be a particularly good sign. Then we look over here at the 15-day moving average plotted against the last 6 months data, and again, it's below the 15-day moving average for a crossing back over. So not really sure what advice to give you at this point. Probably no advice at all. But that gives you a very brief idea of how to go out to investing.com, download historical data, even if it's not U.S. data, download historical data. In this case, from Tunisia, and then do a very quick, moving average analysis inside of Excel.